Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Antigua, a Jamaican national jail for escaping a immigration center. Me don't know how she do it. Greetings and salutations to all nations, especially my Jamaicans worldwide. You to send this out to my great Jamaicans. I'm Rastafari Soldier. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. Hit that red subscribe button, leave your comment, share the content for the Rastaman. A Magistrate Court Tuesday sentenced a Jamaican woman, Tiffanie Stephanie Howell, 30 to 7 months in jail for escaping lawful custody. The Jamaican, who had been on a run for the past week, surrendered to the Immigration Department on Sunday and was sentenced at All Saints Magistrate Court when she appeared before Magistrate Ngaio Emmanuel. On January 20, Howell and another Jamaican national 23-year-old Donnalee Samantha Salmon escaped the Immigration Department Detention Center, where they were being housed, by breaking a bathroom window. Howell, who was charged for escaping lawful custody, appeared in the All Saints Magistrate Court on Monday, where she pleaded guilty to the charges and carried a maximum of 1 year in jail term. The authorities continue to appeal to the public for assistance to locating Salmon, who remain on the run. Salmon is described as being dark in complexion, approximately 5'6" inches tall, with slim build, weighing around 125 pounds. She little but she talawa. The authorities warned that the public that she should refrain from aiding, sheltering, or approaching her, and anyone with information about Salmon's whereabouts should contact the Immigration Enforcement Unit. Oh no, hear what a guan. The Jamaicans them gone over Antigua and gonna rise the crime level. Here it is. How you get to Antigua? We don't know, but for some reason you was in detention. And Tiffanie Stephanie Howell, 30 years old, who escaped the jail, escaped the custody of lawful detention. The Magistrate Ngaio Emmanuel in the All Saints Magistrate Court in Antigua give her 7 months. I hope it's hard labor. Them say they need some help finding Salmon, which is our partner in crime. She's described as dark in complexion, about 5'6". She's only 125. They say don't approach her because she wiggly and she wobbly. Hey, she probably can twerk. They said do not refrain from assisting her. Antigua no good again. The Jamaicans them reach over there. You soon hear people a get quen. Ladies and gentlemen, Tiffanie Howell, yeah, she's back in lockup. 7 months she get. But our friend did not get catch. So ladies and gentlemen, imagine All Saints Magistrate Court. Them lock them up in a detention because they're illegally, because it was cause of immigration's purpose. But it appears them say, oh, we not stay here, so a little 23-year-old Donnalee Samantha Salmon. Hey, she slide through like one slimy fish through the window. And it appears that our partner in crime, Samantha, Tiffanie, she was not as smart. Howell gets 7 months, while our friend, slim built, 125 pound, 5'6", escaped from a shelter or from a detention center. And more life, more joy, more nappiness.
Big up Deep Roots TV for me now. Yeah man, it's not a squash, it's a squash. Oh, a Sasquatch. Big up Deep Roots TV every time. Yeah man.
Where is the crime? Jamaicans no